Go home happy with the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's an iconic Toyota Tacoma that's ready for work or play. This midsize pickup is ready to tow or hit the trail and comes loaded with driver assistance and safety features. Rugged and capable, it's the right choice for your adventurous spirit. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, backup camera, four-wheel drive, satellite radio, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, Bluetooth connection. You need practical, but you want fun. Don't miss out. Get the best of both worlds when you get into this super versatile Tacoma. Come in and meet our expert team. We know what it takes to give you an outstanding test drive experience.